Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can bundle products on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify admin panel. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left side of your screen and then click on products. Once you click on products, you're going to find a list that includes all of your products. From here, you can see the products, the status, inventory, sales channel, market type, and vendor. And if you go right here in to collections, you're going to find your collections. So as you can see, guys, right here, I only have one collection. If you click on the home page, collection, we're going to find right here the title of the collection, description, and under it, you're going to find the products. So the only product that I have right now in my collection is this t-shirt. And as you can see, guys, right here, I have an option that says search products. I also can browse for the products. For example, we're going to click browse and I can add these products by clicking here and then clicking on done. So as you can see guys, now the pants is added to our products. You can also sort by best selling, products A to Z, Z to A, highest price, lowest price, newest, oldest, and manually. For example, I'm gonna choose oldest. And as you can see guys, the order is changed. You can name this collection. For example, I'm gonna name it bundle 1 and then click on save to save the changes. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.